Are you having trouble using chopsticks? Watch this video and you will say piece of cake. Chopsticks, let's go! Place the top chopstick on the side of your middle finger. Hold it with your thumb and index finger. This motion in Korean, 까딱까딱. Let's practice. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. The other way. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Place the bottom chopstick on the side of your ring finger and the base of the thumb secures it in place. Make sure the bottom chopstick never moves. The bottom line is never ever move your bottom chopstick. Move only your top chopstick with the index and middle finger. Only these two fingers control the sticks and you can even hear the sound by having the tips go together. To align the chopsticks, simply tap them on the table. Ready to pick up some food? Let's go! I practice with my favorite snack. Control your index and middle finger. You can do it too. For advanced learner, try kim. Pick up kim, wrap the rice with kim, and then you are gonna eat it. Plus, pick up kimchi too. Yum yum!